You have completed the first 3 videos. Great start. Now let's turn that knowledge into action with a quick learning activity. This course is a career upgrade program, and upgrades require action. Why this activity matters. Here's a powerful fact. People forget nearly 70% of what they watch within 24 hours if they don't apply it immediately. But when you write, reflect, and act, retention jumps dramatically. That's why this activity exists. So let's begin. Task 1. Reality check. Take a paper, notes app, or laptop. Write answers honestly. Why did you choose your current degree or career path? Passion, pressure, marks, family influence? No clear reason? Did the intro video change how you think about careers? If yes, what exactly changed? If no, why not? Pause the video and complete this task now. When you are done, come back. Task 2. Degree versus reality. You just watched why a degree alone is not enough today. Now let's connect it to your real life. Answer these. List the top 5 skills your degree is teaching you. List the top 5 skills your future job will actually need. Circle the skills that appear in both lists. That gap you see? That gap is where careers fail, or grow. Pause the video and do this task now. Task 3. Career mistake audit. Now comes the uncomfortable part. You watched the biggest career mistakes students make after graduation. Which mistakes are you already making? Write 2 mistakes you recognize in yourself. 1 mistake you want to avoid completely. 1 habit you must change starting this week. No excuses, no overthinking, just honesty. Pause the video and complete this task. Task 4. 90-day future action plan. The future doesn't change in 1 day, but it can change in 90 days. Answer. What is 1 skill you will start learning in the next 30 days? How will you practice it weekly? How will this skill protect your career in an AI-driven future? If you can't answer this, you are still watching passively. Pause the video and write this down. Community task. Very important. Learning multiplies when shared. In the comments, answer at least 1. What surprised you the most in the first 3 videos? What career mistake are you determined to avoid? What skill will you start learning immediately? Your comment may help someone else who is silently confused like you once were. Why you must act immediately. Here's the truth. Knowledge without action is just information. Information doesn't change lives. Applied learning does. Technology is moving fast. Jobs are evolving. Careers are being rewritten. If you watch today and act someday, the future will move ahead without you. Pause, reflect, write, act, then move to the next video. This is how careers are built in a fast-moving, technology-driven world. And remember, this course works only if you do. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.